I tried the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Molecular range, and honestly, not everything worked the same for me. Started with the shampoo, and from the first wash, my hair felt softer, cleaner, and really fresh. Then I tried the rinse off serum. It's lightweight, but honestly, I didn't notice much of a difference on my hair. And then came the hair mask. And this is where everything changed. My hair felt smoother, healthier, and so much more manageable. So for me, it's definitely the shampoo and mask that truly stand out, and something I would keep going back to.